In today's tutorial I'll show you the way as to how you can change your age on TikTok. You might be having some issues due to your underage account. Such as, let's say you have some of the settings restricted, you're not being able to send messages. That is because your TikTok account is underage. There isn't an easy way to change the date of birth on TikTok just like Facebook or Snapchat. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. We have to contact the TikTok Help Center and they are going to verify with a real document that whether or not that is our real age. So launch the TikTok app. Come to your profile page. Tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And go to the option called Settings and Privacy. Scroll down, find the option called Report a Problem. Tap on Account and Profile. Editing Profile. Select Other. Tap on Need More Help. Now over here you have to simply mention to TikTok that you want to change the date of birth and you are ready for any type of age verification process needed. If your TikTok account is not really that important to you, what I would personally recommend you do is, instead of going to all this hassle, you can just create a new account with an updated date of birth. Because unfortunately that is the way it works on TikTok. It is not that easy your thing to change your age on the TikTok.